Hello, in the biz, professional wrestling. I am Logan Easton LaRoe, and it seems our opponents for tonight, Mikey Bigelow and Monster Ivan Ali, forgot the Easton. That's okay. It's a proper name. See, the neighborhood watch was hungry today. He's not sure if he has his potassium filled, so he'll be having a banana while I speak. You know, the powers that be saw fit to put us in there with two men they see as monsters. But let me take you back. Let me take everybody here watching and listening back to February 1997. You know the significance of that date? Space Jam came out in movie theaters across America. In that film, that picture, Michael Jordan was transported into the cartoon realm. In that cartoon realm, powers were granted to monsters. Monsters that thought they could beat the Looney Tunes and Michael Jordan. I think we found how that turned out. Michael Jordan had the special drink. Michael Jordan knew with his heart, his brains, and his talent, he could beat the Monstars. And what happened? He sent him packing. He said, hit the bricks, I'm gonna win. And that is exactly what's gonna happen tonight when the Neighborhood Watch, Gigi Allen, and Logan Easton LaRoe get their hands on the Monster Express, Mikey Bigelow, and Monster Ivan Ali.